Meteorologist Chris Haddings here once again. Seeing my face, it means some active weather on the way. I compare this to a Dickens novel, obviously the most famous one since we're getting close to Christmas, A Christmas Carol. Another famous one is The Tale of Two Cities, and one of the best lines in there was, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times." That'll be the contrast with what this storm brings across much of the area, with snow to the west of the divide, mainly wind to the east of the divide. We'll start with the snowy part first. A little bit of light snow falling out there this morning, but the real heavy snow won't get going until about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, and especially later tonight. You see those winter weather advisories in effect anywhere from Yellowstone down toward the Star Valley, out toward the Absarokas. Now the next question is, Chris, how much snow are you going to get? Well, anywhere say from about 2 to 6 inches across the lower elevations, Jackson about 2 to 4, more up toward Moose. And the mountains, anywhere from about 6 to 12. Highest amounts probably in the western facing slopes of the Tetons, locally over a foot there. And there could be some light snow to the east of the divide, but that's not going to be the main story there. The main story there is going to be wind. Now the lighter color there up around Cody, that's a high wind warning that goes into effect at 2 o'clock today and goes through much of tonight and the first part of Wednesday. And the darker colors around Buffalo, also Riverton up toward DuBois, and along Sweetwater County, including Rock Springs and I-80. Those are high wind watches. Those don't go into effect until Wednesday. We could still have some strong gusty winds as well around the Casper area during the day, and especially along Outer Drive down that area. Could be some gusts locally to 55 miles per hour. Next question, how strong are the winds going to be? Highest winds around the Clark area, one of our most wind-prone areas. Not a lot of people there, though. But pretty strong winds, maybe 40, 50, maybe 60 miles per hour around Buffalo, Riverton, also along the I-80 corridor as well. So make sure you have both hands on the wheel if you have to travel tomorrow, I think especially in the afternoon hours. So as we summarize the impacts, you see west of the divide, we'll have some light snow falling during the day today. Will really pick up in intensity, I think, tonight. Heaviest will probably be between about 9 p.m. and about 3 a.m. And one thing, it will be some wind out there as well, so a lot of blowing and drifting snow. So watch out for that. Could be some sharply reduced visibility, especially after midnight. And there'll be some slick spots, snow-covered roads, obviously. Now, for those of you east of the divide, looks like high winds increasing as we head through the day today. Strongest winds around the Cody-Clark area, probably late tonight, then they'll die off slowly on Wednesday. Strongest winds after the cold front passes. Wednesday, places like Riverton, DuBois, maybe Lander, and also on the I-80 corridor, including Rock Springs out toward Wamsutter. Those should die off, though, as we head toward Wednesday evening. So our usual resources there for weather. Now for road conditions, I want to emphasize this. The best place to go is that website. If you want to call on the phone, call these people. Don't call us for road conditions. They know quicker than we do. 511 in-state, 1-888-WILD Road out-of-state, and our ever-popular webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Have a great day.